So it's been pretty dope. It was like 72 degrees today, but it felt like 55 because the wind is blowing. So we're in downtown LA right now. About to go to Rudolph's Bar to see one of my besties' favorite singers. I'm gonna have some fun, try to get some footage and stuff from that. Yeah, man, we out here in these streets today, and I'm excited.
So we hit up Rudolph's Bar and Tea in downtown LA, posted up in the jewelry district where all the chill hidden gems are. We only came out to support a friend at Breaking Sound LA, not even realizing it was a whole open mic night. It's located in the main lobby of the Freehand Hotel LA, and we ended up catching a whole wave of talented artists and some wild good vibes. Here's a peek of what went down.
I met this kitty one day and it felt like we could possibly be busy at midnight. And we had to say our goodbyes. Gave me your answer, I gave you mine. I feel, but I can't keep a line on myself. It never leads anywhere else. I'm up against all of my friends. They say not to call you, but I already knew I would. I'm fighting with the thought of your past. And even though I know I can't lie, I can't believe it. I can't believe it. I can't believe it. I can't believe it. How you touch my skin, the sight of your name on my phone has me weak in the knees. Now I'm calling again. Should've want you, but I do think I wish you call it truth. 'Cause I miss my baby. Being with you only hurts, but without you makes it worse. Oh, I need my baby. Treat me like shit. Hey, oh, hey, my body touching, kissing. Baby, yeah, I give it all again, just for your hand, baby. It's just enough for a minute. I'm way too damn forgiving. You've pushed me to the limit. Took me too long to admit it. That's just life. So many phases, it can get uncomfortable. You only made it worse, you couldn't let it go. I've been making changes. Oh, I miss something new. I'm investing in my peace of mind. Found a one I gotta leave behind.
I went to San Jose, Monterey, took a detour on the Milky Way, then to San Antonio. But before I go, I gotta make a quick bed, stop and roll. I drove up every coast, about a shortcut of a rainbow. I met the fishes there,